welcome back to my channel. This is Amber and I have another craft fair idea for you. And just keep in mind that if you're not doing a craft fair, these ideas are so good for Secret Santa, stocking stuffers, favors, teacher gifts, all kinds of things, neighbor gifts. So you can take these ideas, make them your own, and they're just so much fun and so easy. And people will love them. So this project that we're doing today is actually my #1 best craft fair seller for 2022. I think I made 16 of these and we sold out of every single one of them. So I don't even have one to show you. So we're gonna be making another one here on video. I will insert some pictures here. I decided to call these cozy packs, and you can customize these however you want. It's just the idea that you can take and kind of just customize them however you want. There's like really not even a handmade element in here. I mean, there's some scrapbook paper, but I'll show you what we're gonna do. And I'm also gonna talk about these tags that you need to run to Dollar Tree and get ASAP. We'll talk about these in a minute. Okay, so I have some different ideas, but I'm just gonna basically construct one of these cozy packs, as I call them, and show you how you can sell them at your craft fair, give them as gifts. It's so fun. We're gonna start out with a clear bag, and I'm using this size here. Don't worry about memorizing it. I'm gonna link it below, along with my coupon code, but there is, hopefully it'll focus. There's the clear bags that I used. I'm still at the old house, by the way. We're still trying to get everything packed. The movers are coming in just a few days, and we've lived in this little cottage for 15 years. And we're moving into a new house, and it's probably more than double the size of our house now. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have my own craft room, as I mentioned in previous videos. Go over and read my community post if you missed that. But let's get started on this fun craft fair project. So the first thing you'll need for the size that I made these is 2 pieces of scrapbook paper that measure 10 by 6.5. Now, if you have double-sided paper that you're using, you don't have to cut 2. You only need 1. But I'm using this one right here from Hobby Lobby, Plaid Tidings, and it's not double-sided. I wanted to make these plaid so they're super cozy, like a cozy cabin or cottage, and I'm so excited about it. So you don't have to even glue these together. You just back them up on each other and grab one of your clear bags that I showed you. And the first thing we're going to do is slip this in here. This acts as a base and it just makes it more decorative and fun, so now it's double-sided. So the next thing I put in are the Snug-a-Doo socks from Dollar Tree. These are so comfortable. They're so soft. I absolutely love these. These are my favorite Snuggly socks. And I was so excited when Dollar Tree put out a bunch of Christmas ones this year. So this is like the main item that you're going to be putting in. So just keep in mind the bottom of the cozy pack is the opening. Instead of cutting this off, I just shoved it in there like this. So that way we have more room. So the whole point of this is to have a cozy little pack to pamper somebody, to think of all the things that they would want for a cozy night. So I'm going to stick those socks in there. I got these from Big Lots. These are like a little bit smaller than the standard size. So I like to put the candy cane right on top of the socks, just like this. I mean, you can like put this in however you want. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but I just wanted to build one here on video for you guys. And this next part is up to you. We used full-size candy bars for this part, as you saw in the pictures. And I think that was part of the reason they sold so well, is because of the full-size candy bars. However, you can get creative. You can put in one of these Santa Claus guys, and I'll take it out of the package actually. This is from Dollar Tree. So you can put one of these in there, or you could put a peppermint bar in there. And then my other cute idea, okay, who is a Goonies fan? Because I know I am. I love Goonies so much, and I don't know if this will make sense to anybody else but the Goonies fans out there. But you could put one of these in, like a full-size Baby Ruth, and then make these for like a bunch of your friends and call it like a Goonies watch party and pass one of these out to everybody. Maybe like on a cold, cozy night and just have like a girls' night. Anyways, that's just an idea. I thought it was pretty cute. For this video, I'll go ahead and use the Baby Ruth. So the next main item is a tea. I ran out of all of my holiday teas, but I'm going to link the ones that I use below. They're my favorite. They're so delicious, and I'll link them below where I get them from Amazon. But I'm going to put in one of these prickly pear teas. It's kind of Arizona themed. We didn't put hot cocoa, but I think it would look so good with a hot cocoa in there, so I'm just going to slip one in there for this video. Okay, and then the last thing I like to put in there is some candies. So I like to put mini candy canes, but I didn't have any more left. So I have these fun ones from Dollar Tree. These are like cookies and cream, and they're these little snowmen. How cute are these? And then I'm going to put these two cute little snowmen in the bottom. So now you've got fuzzy socks, a chocolate bar, some candy, hot cocoa, and a tea. And these are our cozy packs. So fun, and I'm going to show you the finishing touch we're going to put right here. So then I'm just going to go back and seal this up. And these like clear bags make it so satisfying because people could just like flip through these and decide which one they want. But there's different patterns of the socks. Candy bar will slip down, which is good because we're going to put a little to from tag right here, and that's where these fun tags come in. Now, I know they just look like colorful fun tags, but you've got to run to Dollar Tree because the amount of these tags that you get for the price is crazy. I mean, is this a mistake? You get like 10 sheets of these for $1.25. It's incredible. I just think that is so amazing. They're really whimsical and trendy and cute. So to finish these off, we put a cute little sticker on the top. I'll use this one. And then that way whoever gets this can put their to from on there. And there's our cozy packs. Again, change them up as much as you want. Use different candies. There's these peppermint barks you can get at Dollar Tree and the Santas, different candy bars. You can even use like a Lindor one. You could put another one in there if you want to make them like deluxe cozy packs. Use up these cute stickers. I mean, the possibilities of these are endless. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I'm telling you, #1 bestseller at my craft fair. So for the pricing on these, I would say $6. It depends how much you put in here. So like I said, we didn't put the hot cocoa in there. We just did the candy bar, the socks, which are the two most expensive things in there because that equaled about $2 for that. And then everything else is from a bigger pack. So as the lower the cost you can make these, the better. But I think $6 is a great price. And again, these were so popular. People went nuts over these. And I think the full-size candy bar really got them. But that's my cozy pack. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope that you'll make some of these for gifts or stocking stuffers or your craft fair. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!